Okay, so hopefully you have completed the Ed puzzle, watched that video, and now your last activity of the day is to answer the questions below using what you have learned from the legend of Romulus and Remus. Number 1, how might this story have been influenced by Greek culture? So go back and think about what we talked about before. Can you make any comparisons between this story and anything we learned about while studying Greece? And the second question is, while historians don't believe this story to be true, what might we learn from the story of Romulus and Remus? So is there a lesson here to be learned, a moral? What do you think? I want these 2 questions answered in complete sentences, please, and you can do it right here. I'm going to make a copy for you of these slides, so some people are able to write right on here. If you can, fine, and make sure you submit it to me, but if you can't, then you can do it on Google Docs or just write it on paper and take a picture and send it to me. And that's it, and tomorrow we'll talk about ancient Rome geography. Have a good day. Bye.